Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing a Universal's Yums box. Yay!
Okay, Mark. I'm excited. It's been a long time. So, where's this from, Mark?
France.
France. Wee wee.
Wee wee.
Wee wee. So, let's see which goodies we're gonna try today from France. Okay. So, you get to pick which ones we're gonna do first, Mark.
And these are last.
Yeah, the candies are usually last. So, which ones do you want to do?
This.
That? The biggest one. Look at guys, they gave us a big box of these. These are crepes filled with basil pesto.
Wait.
So basil, you know, like in spaghetti, that's kind of like what's inside of the filling of those. So it says this basil's pesto stuffed crepe, it was a head over heels kind of filling, one which seems to be pretty common when it comes to these crispy yums. Okay, so they're called gavots.
I thought you said grapes.
Grapes. Oh, remember those olives in the last box? Those were not good.
And the thing came out of it. I made.
Oh, the little seed?
Yeah, I made it come out.
The little seed came out of the olive last time. Woo! I don't know.
Does it smell good?
I'll taste it.
I'll probably have to throw up.
Yeah. You don't need to if you don't want to, because tastes like if you're eating spaghetti. It tastes like a ravioli in a little crepe form. Mark had to take a little break to get some juicy juice. Come over here, Mark, and bring that juice. Okay, that one was not so good. I agree with Mark. Come on, Mark. Okay, that one. Nah, I think I like the sweeter crepes better, guys. Come on, Mark. The ones that it should have had chocolate in it, huh? Okay, which other one you want to do? Because that one was a no-no. Of course, you want to do. Look at guys, we got a full Knorr. It says dark chocolate with violet nuggets. Violet's look at it has flowers in it.
Flowers on the chocolate?
Yeah.
Ew.
Let me see. I want to read this. This is interesting.
A flower?
Clouds violet dark chocolate bar. Huh?
A flower's good?
I don't know. Well, yeah. It says, let me see. Each February during blooming season, the city hosts violet fairs and markets to celebrate its favorite flower. So in France, the violet is the favorite flower. It says the violet of Toulouse has anywhere from 30 to 40 petals, all layered around a white heart center. It's used in everything from candles and soaps to sweets and mustards. You like mustard. They put that in mustard, the flower. And of course, chocolate. You should only give this bar away to someone truly special, which means you should probably just give one to yourself. Wow. It looks like Willy Wonka.
Are you even allowed to eat chocolate? I mean flowers?
Yeah, they said they make them in here. They put flowers.
Oh yeah, this look like a Willy Wonka's chocolate bar.
It does, huh? Smells like chocolate.
Does? Let me smell.
Let me see. I'll give one to you and then one to me. So let me see. Okay. You can see little flowers in it.
Where? You can.
There's like little flower petals. Tastes just like chocolate. Really, Mark? Mark doesn't like dark chocolate. And good me. So, what you think about that, Mark?
Terrible. And I'm gonna need this.
Okay. Well, I liked it. It was good. Which other one you want to try, Mark? Okay, guys. So next are these chips, and they're truffle chips, I believe. Yeah, Seabell's black truffle chips. Of course, you've had potato chips before, but how about potato chips made with lightning? Prepare yourself, because according to an old fable, these chips carry a bit of shock value. I don't want to get shocked. It's gonna shock us?
Wait, what if the what was it again?
What? Lightning? Truffle?
Yeah, what if the lightning means it's hot and it might make you like die?
I don't know, but let me see. Unlike other mushroom species, the black truffle can only grow on living trees and plants, wormy and symbiotic, helpful for both sides' relationship with their roots. While truffles may be known for giving life, we guarantee these chips won't survive very long. So let's have a go.
So we won't survive?
It says the chips won't survive.
Oh. How does it taste?
You won't like it.
Is it terrible?
You won't like it. Take a little nibble. Put it back in. Really? I don't know, guys. So far, I just like the chocolate, guys. What's up with this box?
I don't even like...
I don't like truffle.
I don't like nothing.
Okay, which other one you want to try? Okay. Mark picked this. It's like a sponge cake. I don't know what's in the center. It's like pink. Let me see. This is called a Gruyere Raspberry Madeleine. It says, fresh raspberries are folded into this light and fluffy batter to create a unique take on the classic French cake. So it's raspberry. Here, let me see. You like raspberry, Mark? It smells good.
I never tried raspberry.
Here, I wanna. It smells pretty good.
No, it doesn't.
It's raspberries. Let me see.
Horrible. I mean, it's a little good.
It's better than the other ones. And this one is good, guys.
Yeah, but I'm not drinking it because it's bad. I'm just drinking it because I'm thirsty.
That raspberry Gruyere raspberry Madeleine. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. That was really good, guys. Okay, let's try this one. This is the Gruyere. This was almond financiers. With a moist, springy texture and sweet, nutty flavor. We reach deep into our pockets for these. As the saying goes, money can't buy you happiness, but one bite of these almond financiers will sure get you close. So it's like almond, like an almond bread. So let's taste this. Look at almond.
It smells good?
It smells like almonds.
It smells good, but I'll just...
Here.
That's what I was gonna do.
Pretty good. Pretty good. I like the raspberry. The raspberry is first, then the almond, the one we just had, and then the chocolate.
All I like is the raspberry.
You like the raspberry?
That's all I like.
Okay, last but not least, guys, are the candies.
Probably I'll like the candies.
I don't know.
So
There's 2 different kinds of candies. Which one did you want to try first?
These.
Those are Klaus caramels with chestnut cream. It has chestnut cream in it. It says caramel and chestnut. and they're keep chewing and chewing and chewing. They're really like you have to keep chewing on these guys.
Why?
Because I guess they're really chewy. I don't.
Well, can you open it?
Yeah, you still have to keep chewing. It's good.
Not good.
Really? It's good, man. And they weren't lying about keep chewing and chewing.
These ones.
Okay. Okay, I had to swallow it, guys. Sorry. Well, Mark gets his little candy fat down. This is called the Kubli Fruit-Filled Hearts. Oh, look at they're like little hearts, guys. Says, want to celebrate Valentine's Day like the French? First, you'll need to buy some roses. Be careful what color you choose because in French, each color carries a very different meaning.
I already tasted it. It's good.
It says, wait, I'm trying to see what it is. With a tangy apple flavor, crunchy candy shell, and gooey fruit jam center, there's a whole lot to love about these bite-sized yums. And they come in the same colors as French roses, which is white, pink, or red. And I love roses.
These are good.
Let me taste mine. It is good, guys.
It's good.
Yeah.
What I like is the raspberry.
So which ones do you like, Mark?
Raspberry and this.
Mark likes the raspberry Madeline. And these ones that we just had. The Kubli Fruit-Filled Hearts. And I like the Madeline. The hearts. A little bit of the almond financiers. I did like the caramel with the chestnut cream. Those were good.
You mostly liked everything.
And the chocolate. Okay.
What things did you not like?
I didn't like the truffle chips or the pesto crepes.
Those?
Oh, I like those ones. Okay, guys. So, here's the clue to next month's box. It says, grab a hat and mittens because it's about to get colder. Where the castles are taller and the forests are older. You won't need hot mulled wine. We've got better yums in store. Creamy fudge, chocolate plums, and oh so much more.
The North Pole.
The North Pole. I don't know, guys, what that can be. That's a tricky one.
Not the North Pole, because I don't know if the Santa Claus even eats anything. All I know that he eats is cookies and milk.
I don't know, guys. Hat and mittens in the cold castles, forests? I don't know, Mark. We'll have to wait till next month. In the meantime,
thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.